my name is Emma.
Hello, my name is Marielle.
Welcome to the Portos Bakery and Cafe. We would like to introduce you to your specialty.
Cut bananas, hazelnut splinters, and liquid caramel pancakes.
Here are the ingredients.
2.5 cups of flour,
2 tablespoons of sugar,
1.5 teaspoons of salt,
1 teaspoon baking powder,
2 large eggs,
2.5 cups of milk,
10 tablespoons of butter,
2 or 3 bananas,
hazelnut splinters,
liquid caramel. Take a large bowl,
add the flour, the sugar,
salt and baking powder together. Flour,
sugar,
salt,
separate the egg whites and yolks,
milk. In a separate small bowl, add the eggs yolk and milk.
Add the milk mixture into the bowl with melted butter, which should be cooled butter, and whisk until well combined.
Pour the yolk and milk mixture into the flour mixture and stir with a wooden spoon until thoroughly combined.
Add the eggs whites and stir just until a thick batter is formed.
Ten minutes later.
Let's go to the cooking process. Take a pan and add a liter of butter.
A few moments later. A few moments later.
And repeat. Cut banana.
Cover the pancake with hazelnut splinters.
Put bananas on the pancake. Top the pancake with liquid caramel.
Thank you for your watching video.
It's up to you. Bye bye!